want to say it's a waste. Not that's a waste, but we want to say it's a waste because we're saying it's a waste to do something. It's a waste to do something because you put
今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
Hey everyone, the episode you are about to listen to has the first part with a little bad audio. Sorry, I was experimenting and tried to record the show when I was outside. The last second part has the normal, regular audio. Sorry about that, guys. Please still support me and listen to the podcast all the way through. Here we go.
Hey everyone, this is the Social English Podcast. Thanks for that introduction. I want to tell you all one thing. If you are a returning listener, thanks for staying with us. And don't forget to follow us for some awesome new content. If you are a new listener, welcome to our show. I am so happy that you are here to join us so you can get better at speaking real live English every single day.
英語を学び始めたばかりのリスナーの皆さん、こんにちは。ソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストの今日のエピソードはあなたのためです。それでも問題が解決せず、このエピソードの英語が理解できない場合は、ゆっくりとエピソードを聞いてください。頑張れ。
I hope you're ready for another English Repair Shop episode. And what I'm going to do is have another Japanese listener or just an English student come on the show by giving me their request. That request is they want me to help fix their English. So me, being the nice person I am, of course, I said yes. So let's correct their English together today, okay? Today we have a young lady. Okay, this lady, she wants to talk about sticky notes in English. Please think of that as you listen to the episode.
すべての英語修理店のエピソードと同様に4つのパートがあります。パート1では英語を勉強している日本人が間違って言ったことを正確に聞くことができます。パート2では会話型のソーシャルイングリッシュスタイルで正しい英語を聞くことができます。パート3ではパーシーはあなたが同じ過ちを犯さないようにするために彼が重要だと考えるヒントをあなたに与えます。パート4でパーシーは正しい英語版を高速で自然な速度で言います。このようにしてネイティブの速度で英語を聞く練習をすることもできます。
Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to have 4 parts. In part 1, I will read the original wrong English from the Japanese listener that asked me to help them out. And in part 2, I will give you the correct English version, English in a conversational, social English style. Part 3, I'll give you any hints that I think are important so that you don't make the same mistakes as the listener. And in part 4, I will say the corrected English version in a fast, natural speed. try to listen and try to hear what it sounds like. This way, you can practice your listening skills. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's get started with part 1. Here is the wrong English from the person studying English. Let's hear it.
修正お願いします。1回しか使ってない付箋を捨てるのってもったいなくないですか？繰り返し付箋を貼ったり剥がしたりできるので、ついつい使った付箋を取っておいちゃいます。
Okay, so listen to that in the wrong English. 1. That's a waste that throwing away a sticky note which was used only once, right? 2. We can put and remove it over and over. So I unintentionally save used them. Okay. That's it. Just 2 sentences. Only 2 for today. Let's do that again. This time, just the English only. That's a waste that throwing away a sticky note which was used only once, right? We can put and remove it over and over. So I unintentionally save used them. All right. So that is the part 1 of the wrong English. Now, if you are studying English right now, maybe you already have some ideas on how to fix this. So let's listen to it with how I would fix it in a slow speed of real social English. Okay, let's do this. Part 2. Please listen, kite kudasai. 1. Don't you think that it's a waste to throw away a sticky note after you only used it once? 2. Since we can use them over and over again, I save them to use them again. Okay, that's it. Just 2 sentences. Let's do that one more time. But this time, let's do it with just the English only. Don't you think that it's a waste to throw away a sticky note after you only used it once? Since we can use them over and over again, I save them to use them again. Okay, so that is the social English. That is the correct way to say that. Let's go to part 3. Here are my hints for you today for this episode. We want to say it's a waste. Not that's a waste, but we want to say it's a waste because we're saying it's a waste to do something. It's a waste to do something. Because you put waste in the front of the sentence, you want to say it's a waste, not that's a waste. Please understand unintentionally. The word, it's a long word. Unintentionally. Wow, that's 7 syllables. So 7 sounds in English, 7 syllables. It's a pretty long word, but you will hear unintentionally in conversation. The word unintentionally is used a lot in conversations. So please look up in your English to Japanese dictionary. And you can go to our website, Real Social English, or you can look under the Apple Podcasts and find the word so that you can search in your favorite software and understand what this means in Japanese if you don't understand it already. That's it for part 3. Those are my hints for today, very short. So let's go to part 4. This is the natural fast speed. Okay. So let's talk about that. Please listen. This is the natural fast speed. Just the English parts only. Please listen. Don't you think that it's a waste to throw away a sticky note after you've only used it once? Since we can use them over and over again, I say them to use them again. Don't you think that it's a waste to throw away a sticky note after you've only used it once? Since we can use them over and over again, I say them to use them again.
このショーを気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。realsocialenglish.com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこのショーを作るための支援として5ドルの寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
All right. We did it. That is the correct way to talk about your sticky notes and how you use them. We together helped correct the English of a Japanese person just like you. I hope that you learned something today that you can use when you are learning English. My action item for you today is I want you to try and practice English by talking about something you use every day. Think about words you understand and heard from today's episode. Then I want you to let me know about them on Twitter. Don't forget to listen to episodes 126 through 131 about starting conversations. I will cover those topics again in the future because they are important. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Please leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts or wherever. If you don't want to leave a 5-star review, please leave a 4-star review and tell me what I can do to make this show better. That's it. I will talk to you in the next episode. Peace and love. I appreciate you. Have a great day.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.